Many C++ developers love to use auto keyword. It's convenient, modern, and it saves typing. But here's the thing, auto doesn't always do what you think it does. Look at this code. We have a function that returns a const reference to a static vector. Simple, right? Now watch what happens when we use auto. In one line, we just silently doubled our memory usage. And most developers have no idea it's happening. Today you'll learn why this happens, how to spot it, and how to fix it forever. Let's start with a realistic example. Imagine you have a function that returns a reference to some expensive data. This function returns a const reference. No copying, it's just a pointer to the existing static data. Efficient, right? Now, watch what happens when the developer uses auto to store the result. Most developers may think the function simply returns a reference to the const vector of integers, so auto absolutely the same type, but it's wrong. Let me prove it. I'll add some debugging code to print the memory addresses. And let's run this. As you can see, they are different. Copy isn't a reference, it's a brand new vector with its own 40 MB of memory. We just doubled our memory usage with one line of code. So why does this happen? Well, it's called type decay or reference dropping. This rule in C++ is simple. Auto deduces the type, but it always removes references, const keyword, and volatiles. So when we get data from the function, which returns reference to the const vector of integers, auto sees this type, it removes the reference, and it also removes the top level of const keyword. So auto data becomes a standard vector, a full copy in other words. This isn't a bug, it's by design. Auto is meant to give you a value type, but if you're not aware of it, you can create copies everywhere. Now for the good news, it's easy to fix, you just need to be explicit. So the first solution is, be explicit about wanting a reference. If the function returns a reference, store it in a reference. The second solution is, if you need to modify the data and the function allows it, you can use this kind of instance if your function returns non-const reference. And the third solution, if you use 14th version of C++ or newer, use decal type function to preserve the exact type, references, and other stuff. Okay, let's summarize what we learned today. Auto keyword never deduces references. Always ask yourself, am I getting a reference or a copy? Supply auto keyword with const and reference signature when working with the reference returning functions. This one habit can save you megabytes of memory and hours of debugging. And if this video saved you from a future debugging session, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm making videos about C++, Qt, OpenCV programming, and problem solving, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.